Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English Quran Education. In today's video, we will explore the first few verses of the Quran, starting with the very first chapter, Surah Al-Fatiha. Let's dive right in and understand these powerful words. Surah Al-Fatiha, also known as the opening, is the first chapter of the Quran. It consists of 7 short verses and holds immense significance in the life of every Muslim. It is recited in every unit of the daily prayers, or salah. The first verse begins with, "In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful." Here, we begin every task with the name of Allah, asking for His blessings. The words Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim describe Allah's mercy. Ar-Rahman refers to His immense mercy that encompasses all of creation, while Ar-Rahim speaks to His mercy that is specific to the believers. The second verse says, "Praise be to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds." This verse reminds us to thank Allah for all the blessings He has provided. Allah is the Lord of all the worlds. Everything in existence, visible and unseen, is under His control and care. The third verse again emphasizes, "the most gracious, the most merciful." Here, we repeat Allah's mercy, highlighting that He is full of compassion and kindness towards His creation. In the fourth verse, we acknowledge that Allah is master of the Day of Judgment. This verse affirms that Allah alone has ultimate authority over the Day of Judgment, the day when all people will be held accountable for their actions. The fifth verse says, "You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help." This is a declaration of monotheism. We recognize that only Allah is worthy of our worship, and only He can help us in times of need. In the sixth verse, we ask Allah, guide us to the straight path. Here, we ask for guidance, seeking help in following the right path, of the path that leads to righteousness and ultimately to paradise. Finally, in the seventh verse, we pray for guidance towards the path of those upon whom you have bestowed your grace, not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray. We ask Allah to guide us to the path of those who have earned His favor, like the prophets, righteous people, and believers, while seeking to avoid the paths of those who have gone astray or earned Allah's anger. These first 7 verses of the Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, are not just an opening prayer, but a reminder of Allah's mercy, authority, and the importance of seeking His guidance in our daily lives. They set the tone for the rest of the Quran, focusing on gratitude, worship, and seeking Allah's help. Thank you for watching this brief explanation of the first verses of the Quran. I hope it has been insightful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Quran Education for more educational content. May Allah guide us all on the straight path.